guys, here's a motor. So I guess there's actually a VHR in this GTR right here. They're making it into a full drift car. But yeah guys, VK37 boys. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Me and Eric here are in the Mamalona, which can only mean one thing: we are buying something. You guys might have read by the title already. We are buying another motor for the 350Z already. Honestly, this was you guys ever get like random deals where you can't sleep on them? This is one of them. The homie Panda sent me a post of a motor up for grabs, and here we are like 20 minutes later. Hopped in the truck, we're gonna go grab it. Alright guys, we made it into the Z right here. Look at dude. Alright guys, here's a motor. VHR boys. So I guess there's actually a VHR in this GTR right here. They're making it into a full drift car. Dude, what the f?
It's gonna be 2 turbos, one here, one there.
That's crazy.
Cut out, chase.
You guys are making me want a drift car, bro. And I can't afford a drift car.
The doors and the hatch are from they're from Chris Forsberg's Pro Car.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So like you could tell from the NOS Energy colors and stuff. We had our Winters in here, but we took it out and put it in the competition car that's in FD right now, so it's already cut out for it.
Yeah, it has like a bulky subframe on it.
It has the
it's like all reinforced.
Whoa.
There's a lot of ghosts around it.
It has the subframe's done by MA Motorsports. So they build like a lot of drift cars and stuff. Subframe was like $2,300 alone.
Damn. So this is actually swapped with the R1 motor, the bike motor, bro.
Mm-hmm.
These dudes have some insane builds, and they have a supercharged DE over here, making 440 on pump gas. That's pretty impressive.
Not even stressing either.
So they actually have a wrap shop over here too. You guys can actually rent this car. I think they're about to post it up for rent for like a whole day. Full drift car. It's on nitrous, right?
Yeah, on nitrous, and then that's that S1 shifter right there.
Should I get that?
So you literally go one.
That's the ball.
Sequential, pretty much.
That's neutral.
This thing is sick, dude.
We have the bottle holder in the back.
Oh, the freaking plates.
Like
sick.
under the hood, you can't even tell it really has nitrous beside the lines. Everything else is kind of low key. You see this little nozzle?
Yeah, for the intake.
Other than that,
So it's pretty much stock, right? Just with like intakes.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've never seen this engine base.
So these have, I think these are those Diaz intakes, I think.
Yeah.
And then we just put nitrous on it, GTR plugs.
That's dope.
I mean, you guys can rent this if you guys want.
Let us know.
It's a drift, that'll be sick. Alright guys, motor is secure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's now the next day. Honestly, I got home, I went to the gym and I didn't pick up the camera. What are you eating, bro? Stop, give me that. Oh my god. You Frenchie owners, you guys know this is the struggle. Give it to me, dude. I'm not getting out of her mouth. I think it's just a stick. Hopefully nothing bad. Anyways, so we got a new motor for the Z. I haven't really explained to you guys what it is exactly. A lot of you guys might look at it and be like, bro, what did you get? I actually wasn't looking for it, but I came up on this amazing deal on a VHR. So this is a VQ37 VHR. The motor's out of the 370Zs, G37s, the motor that's in my Q50, etc. So you guys might think, why are you putting a VHR in your 350Z? That's an HR, etc. So I'm gonna have a VHR block or a VHR bottom end on the car. So I'm gonna use the bottom end of this motor, build it, put the pistons and rods, etc., and then slap it in my car. This is actually perfect because I could send this over to my tuner, who is also my builder, and he could get started on the motor without having the car there and just sitting at the shop. Because if I didn't have this, I would have to take the car to the shop, take the motor out, have the car sit for I don't know how long at the shop. And if you guys know me personally, you guys know I don't like for my stuff to be for my car to be at the shop for too long. I'm just weird like that. But yeah, this motor might look a little ugly, might look old, but pretty much when we're done with it, it's gonna be brand new. Like I said, new internals, new everything. So this is literally perfect. And it's funny because I wasn't even looking for this. Like the homie Panda, like I said, I was about to go get a haircut, and the homie sent it to me. He said, hey bro, look, it's like an amazing deal, like go grab it. And I did. What are you eating, bro? But yeah guys, we are gonna be VHR boys. VHR bottom with HR heads. Perfect. Literally gonna be a dream build of mine. I've always wanted to do this. I've just slacked, and this whole situation with the Z just I'm not gonna say it forced me, but we might as well just do it and get it over with already. Make more power, be more reliable. But yeah guys, EQ37 boys. Is it just me or does this fly look kind of cool? I like some pretty cool colors. Can you please leave me alone? Bro, you're actually biting me. Stop. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, you little feisty ass. Ow, she's actually biting me. This car's so dusty and neglected. Makes me sad. I was actually thinking once we're built, if I should take off the wrap. I don't know why. I kind of want to. Just like once it's like pretty much all done, just take it off, rock it all black. I feel like it'll look super sick. And fix the carbon finally. That's my next thing I need to do. I want to clean up the interior a little bit more, like paint the little handles or whatever, or get them carbon fiber. Honestly, once the motor's built, all I'm gonna do to this car is clean it up. Like little things that bother me, I'm gonna fix, and that's pretty much it. I was actually thinking about switching the turbo kit, ditching the rear mount and going like mid mount or front mount, something more low key, because unfortunately I live in Cali, so if a cop sees my exhaust, especially driving like on the freeway, I'm pretty much screwed. So I kind of want to go for a more low key look. So if anybody's interested, I mean, you can hit my DMs, we could talk some business, but I'm not too sure yet because I really do love this kit. It performs really good and it looks super sick. So I don't know, that's still maybe, but if anybody's interested, hit me up. As for this car, I might be getting rid of the RPF ones very soon, just because now that this car is sitting, I want to put these wheels on here, and I mean just get rid of the RPF one. So if anybody wants these, you can also hit the DMs. They're really good spec, 18 by 9.5 plus 15 in the front, 18 plus 10.5 plus 15 in the rear. So perfect VQ setup. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got going on. I'm actually gonna go to Vegas this next week with the homies. I was thinking about vlogging out there, more like lifestyle vlog, like not necessarily with cars. Let me know what you guys think, if I should take the camera and just record some crazy stuff for you guys. But other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I'm so sorry if it was a boring video, if it was a short video. I just wanted to show you guys that we got a new heart for the Z, or part of a new heart for the Z, I guess. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.